Have a ton of leftover hand sanitizer? Some even expired? In this video, we're going to show you 6 alternative uses for hand sanitizer you need to know. Sanitize phone screens. Phone feeling sticky or full of fingerprints? Just squirt a bit of hand sanitizer on the screen and wipe dry with a soft cloth or paper towel. Clean stains. Hand sanitizer makes a great cleaning agent on non-porous surfaces like your computer table. Whether it's markers, ink, or your daily coffee stains, some hand sanitizer and a soft cloth will do the trick. Shine your mirror. A little hand sanitizer can easily remove dirt and grime that's built up on your mirrors. Just dry off with a soft cloth or paper towel for a quick shine. Clean candles. Is that black soot on your favorite candle an eyesore? Use some hand sanitizer and a paper towel to wipe off the grime on the unlit candle. Clean your glasses. Lenses got a little greasy and smudged? Use a dab of hand sanitizer and wipe with a soft cloth or paper towel to help eliminate fingerprints and hairspray residue from your glasses. Backup deodorant. All out of deodorant? Not to worry. Rub a small amount of hand sanitizer on your armpits to give them a quick refresh. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.